5 homemade eye mask recipes you can easily make at home. Since we spend so much time using digital devices, it's no wonder that our eyes get tired and stressed out. But don't worry, with these easy DIY eye mask recipes, you can treat your eyes to some much-needed relaxation. If you're looking to reduce puffiness, brighten dark circles, or just give your eyes a refreshing pick-me-up, these DIY recipes have got you covered. Not only are these eye masks cost-effective, but they're also made with natural ingredients that can help soothe and revitalize the delicate skin around your eyes. No changes needed. The current translation is already contextual and colloquial/modern. What are eye masks? Eye masks come in various types, including store-bought and homemade options, as well as specifically designed under eye masks. You can easily find eye masks in stores, which usually come in the form of gel pads, sheet masks, or cream-based products. Alternatively, you can make your own eye masks at home using natural ingredients commonly found in the kitchen, like cucumber slices or green tea bags. Eye masks are designed to treat the sensitive skin around the eyes, helping with issues like swelling, dark circles, and wrinkles. No matter which one you go for, the ultimate goal is to calm and refresh the sensitive skin surrounding your eyes, enhance skin quality, and illuminate the area under your eyes while keeping it hydrated and minimizing puffiness. Eye masks, whether store-bought or homemade, often contain ingredients like aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and collagen. Store-bought under-eye masks can have harsh chemicals like artificial fragrances and parabens, but homemade ones usually have natural ingredients like honey, avocado, and almond oil that are good for the skin. 5 DIY eye masks. Tired of puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines around your eyes? Look no further than these 5 homemade eye masks to rejuvenate and refresh your delicate under-eye area. These homemade remedies are simple to prepare and use ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. With ingredients like aloe vera and turmeric, these DIY eye masks are a great way to spoil yourself and show your eyes some much-needed love and attention. Say goodbye to tired-looking eyes and hello to a brighter, more refreshed appearance with these simple and effective homemade eye masks. Aloe vera eye mask. Aloe vera is a popular ingredient for skincare, known for its ability to reduce inflammation and brighten tired eyes. Applying aloe vera under your eyes can help reduce puffiness and soothe tired, irritated skin. Using chilled cotton rounds and aloe vera gel together creates a refreshing and nourishing treatment for the sensitive skin under your eyes. First, gather aloe vera gel and organic cotton rounds. Soak the cotton rounds in the gel until they are fully saturated, then chill them in the refrigerator for a few minutes to create a cooling effect. Next, put the cooled cotton rounds under your eyes gently for a refreshing and soothing treatment. This DIY eye mask is an easy and organic method to pamper your eyes. You can incorporate it into your daily skincare regimen or use it for a quick refreshment after a tiring day spent in front of screens. Why not give this DIY eye mask a try and add it to your beauty routine for a refreshing and indulgent treat? Coffee mask. Let's make a DIY eye mask using coffee. Begin by mixing 1 teaspoon of honey with finely ground coffee until it forms a paste. Honey is great for moisturizing and has antibacterial properties, while the caffeine in coffee can help reduce puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. Once you've mixed the honey and coffee, apply the mixture gently around your eyes and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, wash it off with water. To give it an extra kick, you can add a few drops of vitamin E oil to the mix. Vitamin E oil is rich in antioxidants and can help nourish the sensitive skin around your eyes. If you're looking for a refreshing sensation, pop the mixture onto cotton pads and freeze them before placing them over your eyes for a few minutes. This can help reduce puffiness and relieve tired eyes. Using a coffee eye mask can be a great addition to your skincare routine, as it can help improve the appearance of the skin around the eyes and provide a refreshing pick-me-up. Potato and mint mask. To make your own potato and mint eye mask, blend a small potato and some fresh mint leaves with a little water until it becomes a smooth paste. After that, dip cotton pads into the mixture and ensure they are fully soaked. Then, place them on a flat surface and freeze them until they are solid. Once you're ready to use the eye mask, grab the frozen pads and put them over your eyes. Let them sit for around 25 minutes. The cold temperature and the natural properties of the potato and mint will work together to reduce puffiness and make dark circles less noticeable. The potato's natural astringent properties can tighten the skin, and the mint's cooling sensation can soothe and refresh the under eye area. This simple and effective potato eye mask, infused with mint leaves, is a natural and cost-effective way to care for your skin, providing a refreshing and rejuvenating treatment in the comfort of your own home. Tea bag eye mask. If you want to make a DIY eye mask using tea bags, first choose the type of tea you prefer. Green tea, black tea, and herbal tea are all good choices for reducing puffiness and dark circles. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, whereas black tea has caffeine that can constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling. Additionally, herbal teas such as chamomile or calendula can also help calm the skin and decrease puffiness. After enjoying a cup of tea, store the used tea bags in the refrigerator to cool. Once they are chilled, dampen the tea bags slightly and then place them over your closed eyelids or directly under your eyes. Leave the tea bags on for 10 to 15 minutes to let the natural properties work their magic. Using tea bags as an eye mask is an easy and affordable way to refresh the delicate skin around the eyes. It's a natural remedy that can help reduce puffiness and dark circles, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Turmeric mask. To whip up a turmeric eye mask at home, grab some turmeric powder and buttermilk. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of buttermilk in a small bowl and stir until it becomes a smooth paste. Then, dip some cotton pads into the turmeric and buttermilk mixture and gently place them on your under eye area, ensuring that the entire area is covered. Leave the eye mask on for approximately 30 minutes before washing it off with warm water. Just a heads up, turmeric can stain pretty easily, so be careful not to get it on your clothes or anything else while applying the eye mask. Also, keep in mind that turmeric can irritate the skin of some people, so it's a good idea to test it on a small area of skin before applying the mask around your eyes. This homemade turmeric eye mask can help reduce dark circles and puffiness, but it's essential to use it with caution to avoid any adverse reactions. You can easily make a natural eye mask at home using these simple ingredients and steps to give your skin a refreshing and rejuvenating treatment. Why do these ingredients work? These ingredients work as eye masks because of their special properties and benefits. Aloe vera is known for its soothing qualities and can reduce puffiness and inflammation around the eyes. Its enzymes and antioxidants promote healthy cell regeneration, while the cooling effect provides immediate relief. Coffee not only energizes you, but it also helps reduce puffiness and dark circles by constricting blood vessels and reducing swelling. Its exfoliating properties also give you a brighter, rejuvenated look. Potatoes, when combined with mint, have natural bleaching properties that lighten dark circles and reduce under-eye puffiness. The combination's enzymes and antioxidants nourish the skin, improving its tone and texture. Tea bags, like green tea or chamomile, have antioxidants and tannins that reduce inflammation and soothe the skin. They also cool down the skin, constricting blood vessels, reducing puffiness, and giving a refreshed appearance. Finally, turmeric, with its curcumin compound, has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Applying it as an eye mask can help reduce puffiness, minimize dark circles, and improve skin elasticity. Its brightening effect also adds radiance and youthfulness to the under-eye area. By using these ingredients to make your own eye masks, you can naturally and effectively address common eye issues and enjoy refreshed and revitalized eyes. Takeaway: these DIY eye masks are a great way to naturally refresh and rejuvenate your under-eye area without breaking the bank. Using ingredients like aloe vera, coffee, potatoes, mint, tea bags, and turmeric in homemade eye masks can help reduce puffiness, soothe irritation, and lighten dark circles, providing various skincare benefits. But make sure to test any new ingredients on a small area of skin first and seek advice from a healthcare professional if you have ongoing eye issues. Don't forget to take care of your eyes by getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and protecting them from UV rays. These habits are essential for maintaining good eye health.